Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix ERR empty response error on. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we need to do here, you need to open up command prompt or cmd and open up as administrator, right click on it, open as admin, and then you need to put few commands here. The first one is this one. So I will leave all the commands in the video description below so you can easily copy and paste it. And hit enter. Then you need to write this one, netsh winsock reset. The first one was netsh int IP reset c dot / resetlog.txt. And then another one is the last one is ipconfig / flushdns, right? And after you do so, you need to restart your computer and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then you need to just open up search, go to settings, then go to network and internet, then look for advanced network settings, select your internet connection here, and then look for view more adapter options. Then double click on Internet Protocol version 4, and then select use the following DNS server addresses, and on preferred DNS server you need to write 8.8.8.8, and on alternate DNS server you need to write 8.8.4.4, and then restart your computer and you need to look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, then you need to go again on search, settings, network, then select more network settings and reset your network, and reset now. If using Wi-Fi, you need to put your Wi-Fi passwords again, and if using Ethernet cable, you're good to go. After you reset your network, you don't need to do here nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.